Well, welcome back to Channel On. I'm dealing with a cold, but the show must go on. What we've got here is, if you remember right, about a year or two ago, I had built this ventilation system here to pull the gases from a generator, a vehicle, or even doing some painting out to the outside. And one of the things that I had to do was just to duct tape the elbow onto the old unit here. And it worked okay, but as I'm using this more and more and more, the duct tape just does not last that long. So what I have come across is an old 4-inch coupling, and you can pick these up at Lowe's or probably get them online too. And it works fantastic, and now it's nice and solid. The only thing you're going to have to do is on the burner unit itself, there's a ring there that's used to adjust the air into the burner. You're going to need to remove that. So once you've done that, that 4-inch coupling is going to slide right on there, put your 90 on there, and you're good to go. So that's all I wanted to do is do a quick little update on that. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.